You put your left hand in, you take your left hand out. You put your left hand in and you shake it all about. Hey, do the hooky pooky and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. I ain't messing with y'all today. Get off my channel. Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to the Nut House of Nails. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. Anybody that's new out there that just never watched me before, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Because we have fun over here in the Nut House, girl. Yes, we do, chat. Tell them, y'all. Somebody tell them. Tell them. Yeah. See. We have fun. Anywho, I just came real fast to share my BELLE 350,000 RPM rechargeable nail drill. This is a professional brushless cordless electric nail e-file. That was long-winded, eh? Alright. It comes in this nice sturdy case. I love this case. You carry it like a little shoe case. Isn't that cute? Yes, it is. And it has two zippers here. Hold on, let me turn her around. Oh, this is so nice. Look how pretty this drill is, girl. Oh my goodness gracious alive. Alright guys, here's the drill. Beautiful, I love it. It has a nice metallic finish to it. This is the display area. This is the knob that goes up and down. This is the forward and reverse button here, and this here is where your hand piece go, and it comes in this nice protected little plastic case so you won't ruin your little drill. And on the back here we have this, here's the strap where you hang onto your waist side on your belt buckle. Yeah, this is really nice. And your drill hand piece go there, girl. You know how you put it on the side. Licensed carriers, y'all already know how that is. Yeah. Yeah, okay, girl, let me get to the hand piece. Oh my goodness, hold on, girl. Let me share the hand piece. Let me share the hand piece with you. But before I share the hand piece with you, let's talk a little bit more about this here drill. It's beautiful, y'all. I love, like I said, I love the finishing of it. It's metallic. And this here is the on and off button. Let's see what it'll do. Do it need to be charged? No, she comes right on. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh, she do need to be charged. Well, she has a little charge to her. And this here's the nozzle where you turn her up and down. Alright. Alright, I'm going to plug up this hand piece and let's see how quiet she is. Hold on, y'all. This is the... Oh, my goodness, girl, I'm about to die. Look at this beautiful hand piece. Oh, holy golly. Girl, you don't have to put the name on here. You got the name on your hand piece here. It's so nice and skinny, and it's not heavy at all. Got a little weight to it. Just a little weight to it. But look how small it is, girl. Look, compared to this here one. Isn't that tiny? That's just about the tiniest little thing ever. Oh, I am so loving this drill here. This is so nice. Alright, then you have the unlock and a lock button here on the side, and you take it and you twist it to unlock it. You always have to remove these pins. These are the safety pins that come into your e-file, and you have to turn it to the left, to unlock to take that out. Remove it, and this here back again to the right is locked. But look at this handpiece, girl. It is to die for. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on, y'all. Let me plug this mamma jamma up. This is what I'm talking about.
What you talking about, Willis?
What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about? Hold on, y'all. There she go. We plugged up. Now let me go ahead and add a drill bit in here. It also comes with a nice cord, adapter cord. This is for the charging, okay? I'm not sure how long it's going to take to charge, but we're going to just see how quiet she is. But trust and believe, when I come back to do a nail set, I will be using this drill. Yeah. All right, before I do that, because I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me unravel that. Keep on talking. Better start walking. If you don't keep on talking. It comes with a bag full of nice, fine grit sand bits here. It seemed to be fine. Yeah, fine grit. It seemed to be fine grit. Yeah, that's what it is. All right, and it also comes with this cute little purple little handpiece thingy here. If you don't want to keep your little handpiece down in your holster, you can use it on your desktop and put it right there, okay? It's so nice. It's so cute, like a little shoe. It's cute. It also comes with these drill bit pieces here. This is really nice. I like. Oh, and it has one of these. Okay. It comes with this nice little brush thingy here. And this here is what you put on your drill when you want to get the remaining dust from around your nails or whatever have ya. You don't want to take a big brush and just... You can take the... Yeah, it's a lot of work, but yeah, whatever. That's what this is for. The little nice little brush. You take it and put it in... Yeah, get the remaining dust off of your nails. And it comes with a ceramic drill bit. Don't know what course this is, but it's nice. And it comes with, oh, it got a little sander little drill bit to it. That's nice. And a little cuticle ball thingy. And another little cuticle drill pin thingy. Not your standard drill bits that comes with, you know, your regular drill. So this is very nice. This is very, very nice. And it comes with a little storing case like that. So if you want to store them to the side. Oh, that is so cute. Girl, this is just too nice. And guess what? I think I have a 10% discount code for y'all. Hold on, let me get this unplugged. We're going to plug up and see how quiet she is, girl. Hold on. Give me a minute. So there she go. Let's get a drill bit put in her. Let's see how she sounds. Alright, let's see. I'm going to try it with my drill bit over here. Girl, I cannot get enough of this handpiece. I am a sucker for nice drill hand pieces. Ah! Alright, y'all, let's turn her up. Hold on. Turn her on. And we're going to turn her up. She quiet. I'm sorry. She quiet though. Listen. Oh. 31, 32. Oh. I love this digital display. This is the drill all the way at 35. She's fairly quiet. It has a little weight to it. You know, but I love how it has this protecting case on it. I love that. That is very, very nice. Alright, you can store her on your desk like that. If you don't want to use your hand piece to go in the slot, you can also use your purple thing right here while she's on your desk and use her like that. Okay? Alright, y'all. So y'all tell me what y'all think about this drill. I am so loving this drill. Girl, we about to do a nail set using this drill. Alright, y'all. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this drill. And I do have a 10% off discount code. So if you need that, it'll be down in the description bar below. So that's my time. When I come back, I will be using this drill my next video. But anyway, girl. And again, I cannot say this enough. I cannot get enough of this beautiful handpiece. This is just something amazing. Belle has really did the thing. This is my first piece of Belle all up and through my crib here, and this is really nice. I love to have something nice like this. If I had to display anything, this would be the perfect thing I would love to display on my showcase. Belle! Alright, guys. Alright, get on off my channel, y'all. That's my time. Alright, I'm gonna come back here in a minute with a whole nother other video, alright? Alright.